and put it on YouTube.
भैया आपने जो मतलब आज की क्लास की वीडियो डालने वाले आज
आज की भी डालूंगा, 1 बजे तक डाल दूंगा।
ठीक है।
आपके चैनल को मैंने सब्सक्राइब किया, शेयर किया और लाइक भी किया मैंने।
भैया वही
Thank you.
चैनल है आपका चैनल वही है ना गौरव?
हाँ वही चैनल है। थैंक यू अब्दुल समाद। ओके, निकत इज ऑलरेडी टेलिंग मी टू मेक हर को-होस्ट। निकत का सबसे बड़ा रिक्वेस्ट रहता है ये।
भैया मैं बचाऊं, आपने बोले थे मेरे को बनाने।
आज 2 जन को बनाऊंगा, ठीक है, और कल 2 जन को।
भैया मेरे को ये
कल जैद को बनाऊंगा और आवेश को बनाऊंगा, ठीक है, को-होस्ट। कल जैद एंड आवेश को-होस्ट रहेंगे मेरे साथ। ओके
भैया कौन कौन है को-होस्ट?
थैंक यू भैया।
भैया निकट तो 2 बार हो
थैंक यू भैया।
यस अभी निकट का लास्ट टाइम है ये, ठीक है।
हाँ।
पर पहले सब लोग म्यूट पे रहने चाहिए। यस, एवरीवन शुड बी ऑन म्यूट। यस, थैंक यू। Alfisha and this thing. We'll wait for 1 more minute, okay? You can see my screen. You can see it. Nikhil, you're raising your hand. I don't know for what.
Yes, भैया।
Nikhil?
Nothing.
Zaid is also raising her hand. I don't know for what.
What happened, Zed? Zed, what happened?
It's okay. Zaid, be on mute. It's okay, Abdul Samad. No problem.
Okay.
Arif, welcome. Okay, we'll start now, okay? Give me 2 minutes. Yeah, give me 2 minutes. We'll start now, okay?
Okay, भैया।
Fayaz is also there. Very good.
Yes. Yesterday he was not there. Boring.
Yes. Yes. Should we start? Give me a thumbs up. First, everyone unmute and then give me a thumbs up. Okay, I can see Aisha giving me thumbs up. Zaid, Abdul Samad, Mehak, Avesh, Nikhat, Nausheen, Palak, Alfisha, everyone, Fayaz, Arif, everyone giving me thumbs up. Okay, all of you can see my screen, right? The screen that I've shared. All of you can see, right? Welcome, scientists. Yes, thank you. So, welcome, scientists. Okay, first task for today is you can see many objects on your screen. Okay, here there is apple, there are leaves, there are so many other objects. Choose one object that you closely relate with science and type in chat. Nobody is coming off mute. Science के साथ आपको कौन सा object close लगता है? Book लगता है, pencil लगता है. So there are so many objects. You can see, right? Besides welcome scientist, and type that in chat. Okay, fast. Were my instructions clear? Avesh, could you repeat what did I just say? Abdul Samad has written leaf. Yes. Bottle, someone has written. Nikhil has written the bottle. Abdul Samad has written leaf. Nikhil has written bottle. Okay, very good.
Bhaiya, Nausheen has raised her hand.
Yes, Abdul Samad. Mute yourself. Yes, Nausheen. Okay, Fayaz has written chemical. Aisha has written book and pencil and color pen. Very good. Thank you. Nausheen, you have raised your hand. Baba, come off mute. You're on mute, Nausheen. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, by mistakenly I do it.
It's okay. Okay, Zaid has wrote rocket. Nikhil has also wrote chemical. I will wait for 10 more seconds. So these are all things that we learn in science. Okay, there is leaf, there are rockets. Okay, fine. We'll move ahead. Zarmeen has entered. Apple and leaf. Okay, there is a quote. Okay, we are going to start with a quote. What does a quote mean? Does anyone know quote का मतलब क्या होता है? अगर मैं बोलूँगा quote. Okay, Nikhil, you have raised your hand. Come off mute.
Make anything so we use code and then that will come in a
Okay, so thank you, Nikhil. Quote is something that is said by a very famous personality. Okay, this is said by Albert Einstein. Does anyone know is Albert Einstein? All are going to raise their hands and then come off mute and tell me who was he. Fayaz has raised his hand, and I will give chance to Fayaz. Yes, Fayaz. Who was Albert Einstein?
Bhaiya, Albert Einstein was a scientist. He was a great scientist and
Yes,
he
yes,
always
yes,
experiment and his brain was very fast from
yes.
others and he was very fast in maths and
Thank you, thank you. Let's snap for Fayaz. So Albert Einstein was a great scientist. Okay, okay, Asma. Asma is saying he was an international scientist. Very good. He was a big scientist. So he said this thing. Okay, can Noshin read what's written on screen? Noshin, you're on mute. Yeah.
The important thing is to never stop question.
Thank you, Noshin. See, whenever you're reading science or learning science, the important thing is you always ask questions. क्यों हो रहा है ये? The important thing is to never stop questioning. Okay? Questions बंद नहीं करना है. क्यों हो रहा है? कैसे हो रहा है? ऐसे ही क्यों हो रहा है? कुछ अलग क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? This is science. Okay? Science is not learning about definitions या रट्टा मारना है या बुक का पढ़ के मुझे एग्जाम में लिखना है. वैसे नहीं है. ये 2 साल I am not going to stress on definition of something. Even if you don't know the definition, that's okay. For me, it is important that you question. जो हो रहा है उसको question करो. Give me a thumbs up if this was clear and Einstein का quote was clear. Okay, Zayat has given me a thumbs up and Avis has given me a thumbs up. Abdul Samad has given me a thumbs up. Always remember this. This is very important. Okay, you should always question. You should never stop questioning. कल मंत्रा दीदी ने बोला था अगर आप क्वेश्चन करना बंद करोगे आप तो ब्रेन सेल्स बंद हो जाएंगे, ब्रेन चलेगा ही नहीं. ओके, लेट्स रिमेंबर द नॉर्म्स राव कि ओके. नासिर, यू हैव रेज्ड योर हैंड, प्लीज कम ऑफ म्यूट. नासिर, नासिर, yes, thank you.
red.
Yes, Abdul Samad, yes, thank you. So what are the norms? Can someone tell me the norms? Zed, tell me the norms. What are the norms of our class? Come off mute, Zed.
What do you tell?
What are the norms of our class? Rules क्या है हमारे क्लास के? Norms क्या है हमारे क्लास?
Patience.
हाँ.
Do not do मतलब screaming like a.
Yes.
And use silent hand to answer.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Zed. Be on mute. There are 2 more norms. एक तो सब म्यूट पे रहेंगे. Okay. There is one thing I want to tell. Yesterday's class, there was a lot of people who are coming off mute, which is not good. Okay. दूसरों को disturbance होता है. So we are going to raise their hands and then when Bhaiya says, okay, Alfisha is going to speak now, then Alfisha will speak. Aves will speak, then Aves will speak. If you raise your hands, then it doesn't mean you are going to speak. Bhaiya will tell who will speak. Okay. Then there is sitting straight and smart. You have to sit straight and smart. You can't be like this. You can't sleep. You have to sit straight and smart. Get your book and write. Okay. Is that okay? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Today I also have Cadbury. So who wants it? I don't know. If someone will function nicely, so you will get that Cadbury. Fine. Okay. Abdul Samad, don't send me any video request right now, or Nikhat. Okay, both are your co-hosts. You will only let people enter. Okay, if they come. Thank you, Abdul Samad and Nikhat. for helping me. What is goal for today? Before going for today, I'm going to ask you 3 questions. Okay. The first question is, listen carefully. First question is, how many of you completed the message or the experiment that I sent in morning? How many of you completed that? Okay, Aisha is, I get your thing. It's okay, Aisha. Nikhat completed it. Thank you, Nikhat. Abdul Samad completed it. Zayad completed it. There are 3 students who have completed it. Okay, first of all, I want to reiterate that. Reiterate means I want to say that it's not good that we are not doing our work, okay, before time. I understand that you didn't wake up or something, वो चलता है, but we are going to complete our work always. तो अगर क्लास के बाद मिलेगा तो क्लास के बाद we will first do that and then proceed to the next things, okay? So give me a thumbs up if you are going to complete that first after the class. Those who have not completed it, thank you, thank you, thank you, Aviz, thank you, Aisha. I can see. Thank you, Nasir. Okay, we'll first complete that and then go ahead. But now is second question. Have you ever wore a woolen sweater? Wool का sweater पहना है आपने ठंडी में? Aisha is nodding yes. Abdul Samad is nodding yes. Mehak is nodding yes. Zaid is nodding yes. Noshin नहीं. Okay, Noshin. No problem. Always at okay. Confused Fayaz and Alfisha. कभी कभी ऐसा हुआ है क्या आप स्वेटर पहन रहे हो और आपके जो बाल है वो स्ट्रक हो जाते स्वेटर को, ऐसा हुआ है कितने? हाँ, आयशा के साथ हुआ है. आयशा के साथ तो बहुत बार ऐसा लग रहा है. अब्दुल समाद के साथ भी हुआ है. थैंक यू. निखत के साथ भी हुआ है. इट हैज हैपेंड. ओके, यस. फयाज के साथ, अल्फिशा के साथ भी हुआ. थैंक यू. सो यू हैव फेल्ट दिस. टुडे वी विल फाइंड आउट व्हाई डू यू फील दिस. ये ऐसा क्यों होता है? वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट इट. आई विल गिव यू सेकंड एग्जांपल आल्सो. There are many curtains in your house. Whenever somewhere you pass toward curtains, you feel like you are stuck to the curtain for some time. Yes, this also happens, right? Aisha, ये भी हुआ है आपके साथ. निखत के साथ भी हुआ है. अब्दू समाद, I don't know. किसके साथ ये हुआ है कि आप curtains, goosebumps like thing. Yes, अब्दू समाद. They are actually not goosebumps. So you'll understand. There is science behind it. Okay.
भैया मेरे कुर्सी के साथ हुआ है.
Yes,
कुर्सी है ना.
Yes, कुर्सी के साथ भी होता है. थैंक यू आयशा. सो गिव मी अ थम्स अप जिसके साथ ये एक तो चीज हुआ है, स्वेटर वाला या कर्टन वाला. ऐसा अब्दुल समद, थैंक यू. निखत, थैंक यू. आयशा, थैंक यू. जैद, थैंक यू. नौशीन के साथ कुछ नहीं हुआ है
भैया? जब कभी भी न्यू थिंग्स आती है उसमें पन्नी बंधी रहती है, उसमें भी हम लोग नजदीक लाते तो भी बाल खड़े हो जाते हैं.
Yes, thank you Abdul Samad, thank you Aisha. But again one goal, we are going to raise our hands always, okay? Like it's okay. Thank you. Yeah, thank you everyone. So today what our goal is, we are going to study why this happens. Why this happens is the most important thing we are going to study. ऐसा क्यों होता है? So पहले तो I want people to share about the experiment that they did. What happened? The experiment in morning. There are 3 people who raised their hand. Nikhat, Abdul Samad and Mehak. I want these people to share what happened when they did the experiment. क्या हुआ experiment? Yes, Zaid का video I saw. Zaid का video was nice. I want Abdul Samad to tell and then Nikhat. Zaid का I have seen. Zaid has done a nice work. Abdul Samad, yes.
भैया मैंने कुछ टिश्यू पेपर्स के टुकड़े किए फाड़ के, फिर मेरे पास ग्लास का.
One second, Abdul Samad. 1 second. Sorry, you have to explain it to the class because many of them had done it. So you should explain it to the class. Okay. Please, everyone, listen to Abdul Samad.
I take a tissue paper and tear it into the pieces. Then I take a glass ruler. Then I rub it to my head very fastly. Then I took the put the still near the paper. The paper was stuck on that. And it also
Thank you, Abdul Samad.
Electrostatic force.
Thank you, Abdul Samad. Thanks a lot. So he has done the experiment and also he has concluded that it is due to electrostatic force. We will see if it's electrostatic force or not. Nikhat, what did you do? Nikhat? Is Nikhat on mute or I am on mute? I am on hold. Is everyone able to hear me?
First, I take ruler and rub it on my hand and that.
Yeah.
Small.
Little bit more, Nikhat.
And I rub on my hand that I think that and paper stuck on the scales.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, Nikat, I heard you. Everyone be on mute first.
भैया
Yes, who was that? Yes, Abdul Samad. Please go ahead.
भैया I do one more experiment today only, that I throw the water from the tap and I bring the balloon
Yes.
and I rub my head,
Very good.
and when I took the balloon near the water is sticking like चिपक रहा था
Very
balloon.
good. Very good, Abdul Samad. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. Zaid has also done wonderful work. Zaid has also sent me a video and he has also done it.
Bhaiya,
So
one
let's
more.
first.
One more I do. Bhaiya,
Yes,
that
Zaid, go ahead.
that apple one and balloon one, that in next science project,
Yes.
put balloon
I
and
get you.
apple in that tub. Apple is go
Yes.
down, balloon is only up, because
Yes.
apple is so heavy and balloon is so light.
Thank you, Zaid. Thank you, Zaid. Let us please snap for 3 people, Abdul Samad, Nikat and Zaid, because they have completed their work. Thank you, Abdul Samad, Nikat and Zaid. Let us snap for them. Thank you. So I will then share what are we going to do today. Okay. First, we are again going to see an experiment. We are not going to do an experiment. We are going to see an experiment, a very short experiment. Then we are going to learn about new things and then we are going to conclude. Okay. Can someone tell me what we are going to do today? Avesh, what things we are going to do today? Yes, Avesh. Mehak, Zaid, mute yourself. Mehak. Okay, Tejas. Tejas.
Hello.
Yes. What are we going to do today? Tejas. Yes, Noshin, go ahead.
We will do science experiment.
We will do or see? We will do or see? Yes, Alpisha.
Yes, Bhaiya, we will
Alpisha.
see the science experiment.
Yes, very good. So I request everyone to take their books. Okay, take their books. Can you see my screen? Give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. Thank you. Thank you. I will give 5 seconds for everyone to take their books. Yes, thank you everyone. And you have to make a column, okay? What things you observe. And also try to think क्यों हो रहा है ये. First write observation in your book. Observation. कि क्या क्या आपको दिख रहा है ये एक्सपेरिमेंट में. And second, क्यों हो रहा है. Conclusion. ठीक है. दो चीज. Observation. क्या क्या हो रहा है. And second, क्यों हो रहा है. What do you think? Why is it happening? I don't want the right answer. I just want you to think. ये क्यों हो सकता है. Am I clear with my instructions? Give me a thumbs up. Am I clear with my instructions?
Yes.
Thank you, Aisha. Thank you, Palak. Thank you, Fayaz.
Can
Thank
you
everyone.
repeat
Thank you,
again?
everyone. Yes. मैंने ये बोला कि जब आप वीडियो देख रहे हो ना, इसमें साउंड नहीं, you have to just watch it. You have to write down कि क्या क्या हो रहा है एक्सपेरिमेंट में, क्यों हो रहा है. Okay, Alpisha? Is that
Yes.
okay? Is the video playing? Give me a thumbs up if you can watch the video. Thank you. Just keep watching, okay? There is no audio. Keep watching. What is she doing?
Hello भैया.
Yes.
Where that voice is not
Yes.
coming. That voice is not coming.
Okay, 1 second.
Hello.
Yes, I heard you. I heard you. Hold for a second, okay?
Yes.
4 times.
Now
Yes.
it is coming.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Everybody, it is Danielle from
Thank
Cool
you.
Science Experiments headquarters. For the experiment for today, I am going to take a balloon and I'm going to use it to make my daughter's hair stand on end. Who's ready for some science fun? I am. Let's get started. To start the experiment, we are going to take the balloon.
Is everyone watching the video? Give me a thumbs up. Is everyone watching the video? Give me a thumbs up. I can see 3, 4 thumbs. You have to think up when you're watching the video. It is very important to
I'm
think.
going to wave it a couple inches over the top of my daughter's head. And you can see that nothing happens. Now, we're going to take the balloon and I'm going to rub it on my sweater back and forth a handful of times. And then, when I rub it over the top of my daughter's hair, look what happens. As you can see, the balloon is making my daughter's hair stand on end. Watch what happens when I move it around. Can you tell me why the balloon
Okay, I will give you 10 more seconds to write your notes. What did you observe and why do you think this happened? Take 5 seconds, take 10 seconds. Write that in your notes, okay?
Bhaiya, am I done?
Okay, Zed. Wait for other people, okay?
Okay.
Wait for other people to
Bhaiya, what
complete.
we have to write?
What did you see and what did you see and what do you think ये क्यों हो रहा है? Why is it happening? What do you think? I don't want the right answer. Why do you think? Zed, mute yourself, Baba. Everyone on mute. This is the rule we are going to follow if you need a Cadbury or something. We are going to be very strict about this. Asma, it will take more 30 minutes for the meeting to work. Thank you, Asma, for asking. We'll take more 5 seconds. We'll take more 5 seconds, more 3 seconds. Aisha is saying because it is happening to shutter or something. Okay, Aisha. Okay, Aisha. Fine.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my mother take phone to call. Can you tell me what happened in the video?
Who is this? Okay, Aves, right? People
Yes.
will tell you. I will not tell you. Your friends will help you. Then I will tell you. Okay. Your friends will
Okay.
help you with this. Yes. Thank you, Aves. Okay, time is over. Who wants to share what they saw in the video and help Aves also, and what they do? You think? Why did this happen? Zed has raised his hand, but Zed has almost got many opportunities. I will tell Aisha. Zed, mute yourself. Aisha. Yes.
In that video happened from balloon on her head is nothing happened. Then mother do rub in her sweater. Rub and put her daughter hair. Then balloon and hair is stick on balloon.
Yes. Yes. Good morning, Salman. Be on mute. Aisha, what did you think? Why did that happen?
Everyone.
Yes.
Because of
Because of
sweater.
sweater. Okay, Aisha. Thank you. Aves, did you understand? What did just Aisha say? Aves, please come off mute.
Yes. Yes,
Thank you, Aves. Yes. I will push Payas to answer this. Payas, why did you think this happened? Yeah.
Because when she rubbed the balloon on her sweater, then
Yes.
her sweater is becoming, and then when she put the balloon near her hair, then because of electrostatic force, the hair start like a magnet. They start the balloon and sticking.
Thank you, Fayaz. Thank you, Fayaz. Abdul Samad has also written a lot of answers. I will take both the answers and they both are right. But they are talking about the two important words, okay? Electrostatic force, charges, electricity. Abdul Samad and Fayaz have talked about this. What are these? What are these? Are the things we are going to function? We are going to see. Okay. Hina and Nazma, please be on mute. Nazma, you have to be on mute, okay? Nazma, be on mute. And Hina, be on mute. Yes. Thank you. Aisha, be on mute. Okay. 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 Everyone on mute, give me a thumbs up. If
Yes, भैया.
Okay.
okay. Yeah. Just hold for a minute, okay?
भैया, your voice is echo. Double voice is coming.
Now?
Now it is again coming into.
Double voice is coming. Double voice.
Now
Yes, now.
Now it is proper, right?
Yes, भैया.
Yes. Thank you. So we saw the experiment, right? Now there are three questions on the screen. People, Abdul Samad, Aisha, and Fayaz answered what did they see in the video. And also, have you ever felt this? Have you ever felt this in your life? कि आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है? If you have felt this, give me a thumbs up. If you have felt this balloon wala experiment, give me a thumbs up. For Hina, Pragati, and Nazma, I'm going to repeat what happened. We just saw an experiment where there was a lady who had a balloon, was bringing to the close to the hair, but it was not, hair was not sticking. Then she took the balloon and rubbed it on the sweater, and then she took it close to the hair, and the hair stood up. The hair got attracted to the balloon, and we are thinking, why did this happen? Give me a thumbs up if all are close with me, or all are with me right now. If you have understood what's happening till now, what we have done. Aisha, Abdul Samad, thank you. Salman, Sir, Nazma, thank you. Thank you, Nikat. Thank you, Fayaz. Is my voice clear? You're able to hear me, like? It is clear, right? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. So, thank you, Hina and Nazma, please try to be with me. Now we are going to do one more thing. Okay. We have shared our observation and conclusion. Fayaz and Abdul Samad shared their observation. Kya hua? And also Aisha. And also they shared conclusion. Ki kyun ho raha hai? Like Fayaz mentioned about electrostatic force and all. So we will see कि ये right answer है कि नहीं. Now I want you to do two things. Okay, those who have did morning experiment, they know what happened in that. And those who saw the balloon experiment, compare both the experiments. दोनों में क्या common था, दोनों में क्या अलग था. I will give you 30 seconds. I will repeat my instructions. Yeah, we have to wait for a time. I will come to you, Fayaz, you have raised your hands, but wait, okay. What we are going to do is, there are two things. I gave experiment in morning also, comb wala. Yes, and now you watch the experiment of balloon. You have to now compare both the experiments. दोनों में क्या common था, दोनों में क्या अलग था, and you have to tell me, are the instructions clear? Just give me a thumbs up if the instructions are clear. And those people who have completed their morning work will only know this. Those who haven't will face some problems. Yes, Fayaz, go ahead. You are asking something. And your time starts now. Your 30 seconds starts now. Think about the common things in both the experiments and the different things. Fayaz, you raised your hand. Okay, I don't know. Maybe by mistake. It's okay. Yeah. Alfisha? 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 Yes, Alfisha. You're on mute, Alfisha.
Yeah.
What did I just say? What are we doing now? Alfisha? Abdul Samad, don't mute anyone.
Yes, Bhaiya, I'm not muting.
Yeah, no one is muting anyone, okay? Otherwise, I will stop making people co-host. Alfisha, go ahead.
Yes, bhaiya, someone make me unmute. I can't unmute myself.
Yeah, now you speak. Who is doing it? Abdul Samad and Alfisha? I'm sorry, but I have to remove you from co-host right now. So, because the class is not functioning nicely, okay. Thank you, Abdul Samad and Nikat, for being my co-host for some time. Now, Alfisha, you can speak. Go ahead, Alfisha. Alfisha, you can go ahead. Speak. Noshin, can you tell me what are we doing now? Noshin? Noshin? Nasir?
Bhaiya.
What are we doing now?
He's taking book.
No, what are we going to do? I know she is balancing book. What are we going to do? Compare both the experiments. आपने एक सुबह एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, आपने एक यस आपने एक अभी एक्सपेरिमेंट देखा बलून वाला. Compare both the experiments, okay? Your time starts now. You have 30 seconds to do it. Give me a thumbs up when you're done with comparing both the experiments. एक सुबह कोम वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था जहाँ पे कोम लिए अपने और बिट्स ऑफ पेपर्स के पास लेके गए तो वो स्टार्ट हो गया. Alfisha, can you unmute yourself? Alfisha, please drop and join again. You will be able to do it. Yes, Fayaz has given me a thumbs up. Nikhat has given me a thumbs up. And yeah, Nazma has given me a thumbs up. Yes. Nikhat, come off mute. And what were the common things that you see in both the experiments? Nikhat? Nikhat? Yes. Abdul Samad?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes. What were
Yes,
the common
because-
things that you
Bhaiya, I see that in the bone are sticking to the scale. And in the balloon
in both?
also.
Yeah. So what Abdul Samad is saying, दोनों एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या हुआ, दोनों एक्सपेरिमेंट में थिंग्स स्टिक हो रहे थे. The things were stuck, okay? और कुछ देखा? Yes, Aisha, you want to add? What did you see in both the experiments? Nothing. You don't want to add? Okay. Tejas, do you want to
Bhaiya,
add
remove
something?
the-
Tejas, do you want to add something?
Bhaiya, nobody is able to unmute themselves.
Okay,
Nikhat,
I am
what
giving.
did you do?
It's okay, Abdul Samad. Aisha, can you unmute now?
And Bhaiya, Tina,
No, bhaiya.
Yes. Okay, Aisha, unmute now. Aisha, unmute now. Yeah. Tell me what was the common thing that you saw?
That common you saying no, that video I
Yes.
don't see, but you saying no that we do paper. We do paper on comb and rub the
Right.
hair. Do like this. It is
Right.
stand up, and that balloon one is also same because it is both.
Yes.
There is
Right.
hair sticking and there is balloon sticking. Best.
Right. Right. Aisha and Abdul Samad has given me two answers. Does someone wants to add? Like, what were the different things that happened? Fayaz, answer. What were the different things that happened? Fayaz? Okay, I guess Fayaz is not able to unmute. Fayaz? Yes, Fayaz. Fayaz is, I don't know why people are not able to speak today. Aisha, Abdul Samad, be on mute. Tejas? Tejas? Unmute yourself, Tejas. Okay, Fayaz, I heard you something. It's okay. Be on mute. It's okay. Okay, I will move ahead. Give me a thumbs up if all have understood what Abdul Samad and Aisha said. There were two things they saw. दोनों चीज में ना things were sticking and दोनों चीज में things were sticking to something. मतलब दूसरे एक्सपेरिमेंट में it was sticking to balloon, पहले एक्सपेरिमेंट में it was sticking to ruler. Give me a thumbs up if all are clear with this. Give me a thumbs up. I can only see Abdul Samad giving me a thumbs up right now. Hina giving me a thumbs up. Thank you, Hina. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you, Nikhat. Thank you, Pragati. Thank you, Avis, Noshin, Zarmeen, Palak. Thank you. Alfisha, Zaid, Asma, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Okay. Next thing. Yes. Nikhat and Nikhat, I will answer your questions after the class, not now. Okay. Now, this is what Bhaiya saw. Okay. There were two common things that Bhaiya saw. First thing, दोनों things को we had to rub. Before rubbing, nothing was happening. But after rubbing, things started happening, right? Nobody needs to unmute themselves right now. I will give permission when we have to unmute. Otherwise, nobody is going to unmute themselves. I will give you permission to unmute. Okay? Nobody is going to unmute and speak in between. I will give you permission. Give me a thumbs up if that's okay. I will give you permission to unmute. Don't worry. Yes. Thank you. These are the two things that Bhaiya saw. One is दोनों चीज में भी rub. Cone में also what we did, foam या scale में we rubbed it. Balloon में also that lady rubbed it. Then they are. Second thing is yes, Noshin, you can go. Second thing is दोनों चीज में things got attracted. When I rubbed this and took it to a paper got attracted to it. If there were paper here, papers got attracted to it and stick. In balloon also, hair got attracted, right? So we are going to do two things. पहले तो, what is this rubbing wala thing called in physics or science? Rubbing wala thing, when you rub something, in science it is called as friction. It is called as friction. Please write this in your book. Friction. When things are rubbed in science, whatever, you rub your hand, you rubbed here, you rub on this table, you are rubbing on your book, it is called as friction. Give me a thumbs up if this was clear. Friction. Yes, Nikat, say, you have raised your hand. Nikat, go ahead. Nikat, you have raised your hand. Unmute yourself and speak. Yes, Noshin, you can. Nikat? Nikat, you can unmute yourself right now. Okay. Abdul Samad? Nikat?
Yes.
You have raised your hand. What happened?
No.
It's okay. Be on mute then. It's okay. Be on mute, Baba. Be on mute. Yes, thank you. Is everyone clear right now? When things are rubbed, we get friction. What do we get? Type in chat, everyone, right now. Everyone is going to type in chat. What do we get? When we rub two things, what it is called in science? I'm not seeing anyone typing in chat. Yes. Yes, friction. Abdul Samad, Alfisha, Abdul Samad, friction force. Thank you, Alfisha. Thank you, Abdul Samad. I want more people to answer. Frictional force. Abdul Samad is still saying that. What Bhaiya Salman is asking, when we rub two things, what it is called in science? It is called, yes, Abdul Samad. You have to say something. Go ahead. Unmute yourself. Not able to unmute? Yes, wait. Now unmute yourself.
Bhaiya, remove the spotlight, na green one.
It's okay. It's okay. I am not able to remove that. I will figure that out. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay.
Bhaiya, go on my name and remove that. Remove the
Yes.
spotlight.
Yes. 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 Okay. Yes. Abdul, unmute yourself. So what is friction? Okay. I will explain this now. Pay attention. See, whenever we are rubbing things, what happens is, अगर ये हाथ मेरा ना इजीली चले जाता है इस पे से, तो ये बहुत स्मूथ है. बट वो क्या होता है, मुझे इस पे मेहनत करना पड़ रहा है अभी जाने के लिए. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दिस बुक इज गिविंग फ्रिक्शन टू ये. फ्रिक्शन हिंदी में मतलब रुकावट. व्हाट इज फ्रिक्शन हिंदी में? रुकावट. ओके, रुकावट मतलब रोकना. ये क्या करता है, ये नीचे वाला चीज जो है ये ऊपर वाले को जाने से रोकता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्रिक्शन. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वेंट टू मॉल और ऐसे ऑफिस जहाँ पे नीचे टाइल्स होते हैं? Give me thumbs up if everyone, if some of you, Nikat, Zaid has, yeah, yes, Aisha, yes, Aisha, yes, Aisha, you can, please, yeah, Palak has gone to mall, and who has done this? आप मॉल में जाते हो और मॉल में स्लाइड करते हो, पता है, आप शूज डाल के जाते हो और स्लाइड करते हो. किसने ऐसी मस्ती की है? यस, अब्दुल समाद ने की है मस्ती, जैद ने की है ऐसी मस्ती, निकत ने भी की है. वेरी गुड, सब लोग ने मस्ती की है. ओके, सलमान ने भी मस्ती की है, सब लोग ने मस्ती की है. वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड. गिरे हो कभी? हु हैज फेल डाउन? ऐसे मस्ती करते करते कितने जन गिर गए हैं और कितने जन नहीं गिरे? अल्फीशा ने भी मस्ती की है. अब्दुल समाद गिर गए, लगा था अब्दुल समाद? नो, नहीं. यस यस, वेरी गुड. ओके, पलक हैज आल्सो डन इट. आई गेस एवरीवन हैज डन इट. नाउ आई विल टेल यू, अगर ये जो बाहर बीएमसी के रोड है, आप उस पे ये कर सकते हो क्या? ये जो बीएमसी के रोड है, इस पे स्लाइड कर सकते हो मॉल जैसा? नहीं कर सकते ना. क्यों नहीं कर सकते? इसका आंसर फ्रिक्शन है. व्हाट इज द आंसर? फ्रिक्शन. क्या होता है? सी, जो बीएमसी वाला रोड है ना योर घर के बाहर, दैट गिव्स मोर फ्रिक्शन. फ्रिक्शन मतलब रुकावट. तो बीएमसी वाला जो रोड है आपको बहुत रुकावट देता है स्लाइड होने में. पर जो मॉल वाला रोड है, जो मॉल में जो टाइल्स रहते हैं, उसमें फ्रिक्शन बहुत कम है, रुकावटें बहुत कम है. इसके लिए आप इजीली जा सकते हैं. इज दिस क्लियर? Abdul Samad is speaking something. Yes, Abdul Samad.
Bhaiya, like in carom board na, if we will not put a powder, so it will rukega friction. When we will put power, it will rub smoothly.
Exactly, friction कम हो जाता है. Abdul Samad, be on mute. Everyone give me a thumbs up. ये बहुत important है. This is very important in physics. You should understand. Palak, did you understand? Palak, one sec. Palak, come off mute. Did you understand? Thank you, Palak. Palak, mute yourself. Aves, yes. Here you go, Aves. It's your chance.
Yes, sir, I understand.
What did I say?
Sir, you say if it is there friction, we cannot walk smoothly. If there is no friction, we can walk smoothly.
थैंक यू आवेश. अभी जो दो एक्सपेरिमेंट किए हमने सुबह से, एक कोम वाला और एक बलून वाला, दोनों में व्हाट वी डिड, वी हैड फ्रिक्शन बिकॉज वी रब्ड थिंग्स. इसलिए दिस थिंग आई टॉट यू अबाउट फ्रिक्शन. सो फ्रिक्शन इन हिंदी में इज रुकावट. हीना, वन सेक हीना. Yes, Hina, come off mute. Hina, come off mute. Did you understand what did I just say? Hina,
क्या
आपको समझा मैंने क्या बोला? Hina, Hina. Okay, mute yourself, Hina. Mute yourself. Hina, mute yourself. Okay. Asma didn't understood this. Who will explain it to Asma? Pragati, can you explain it to Asma? Pragati. One sec, Pragati. One sec. Yes, Pragati, go ahead. Unmute. Yeah, Pragati.
we have to tell friction. What is frictional?
Yes. What is friction?
Frictional is means that if we go we state so when our hand goes, so it go, and if not frictional, so we have to push our hand to go.
Right. Thank you, Pragati. You are almost right. Thank you. Please mute yourself. I will repeat it once again. Okay. फ्रिक्शन मतलब रुकावट. अगर स्मूथ सरफेस होगा आप इजीली स्लाइड कर पाते हो, मतलब फ्रिक्शन कम है. पर अगर आप बीएमसी रोड पे जाते हो, खड़पुड़ी रास्ता है, आप स्लाइड नहीं कर पाते, आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, मतलब रुकावटें ज्यादा है, मतलब फ्रिक्शन बहुत ज्यादा है. गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ दिस वाज क्लियर. फर्स्ट थिंग ऑफ द क्लास, फर्स्ट टास्क or first learning of the class was clear. I can see 4 thumbs up, 6 thumbs up. I can see 6 thumbs up. The next thing that I saw common in the video was things got attracted to the rubbed object. क्या हो रहा था? जब मैं ऑब्जेक्ट को रब कर रहा था तो थिंग्स अट्रैक्ट होते, वो क्यों हो रहा है? Can someone come off? Okay, Hina, I can understand you have some problem. Can someone come off mute and read what's written on the screen? Alfisha, I give you a chance. And this time I guess you will be able to unmute yourself. And with Alfisha. Yes, Alfisha.
Yes, भैया.
Yes. What is written on the screen? Alfisha? Alfisha?
So, yeah. Transfer and imbalance of electric charges.
Thank you, Alfisha. Mute yourself. So, second चीज जो हो रहा है, थिंग अट्रैक्ट हो रहे. Why is that happening? Because of transfer and imbalance of electric charges. So, you should have a question. What is electric charges then? We don't know ना electric charges क्या है. Does anyone in this group know what are electric charges? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand if you know what are electric charges. Nikhat knows what are electric charges. There are Salman who is giving a surprise reaction. Zaid, I guess, knows. And Abdul Samad knows. Alfish also knows. Okay. We will study what are electric charges. Okay. Okay. I will tell you one important line now. Okay. Please pay attention. We are all made of electric charges. You are made of electric charges. I am made of electric charges. This mobile, laptop, tab, biscuit, even this chocolate, this is made of electric charges. Everything is made of electric charges. Yes, I will explain it, Abdul Samad. I am going to explain this only, but be on mute right now. Okay. So आपको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये आना चाहिए कि अगर हम सब इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस से बने, मैं इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस से बनाऊं, तो व्हेन आई टच माई सेल्फ व्हाई आई डोंट गेट शॉक, और मुझे शॉक क्यों नहीं लगता है? इफ चार्ज है, अगर मैं हाथ लगाऊं तो शॉक लगना चाहिए ना. डिड एवरीवन गेट माई क्वेश्चन? गिव मी अ थम्स अप. माई क्वेश्चन इज, अगर हम लोग सब लोग इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस से बने हैं, सब लोग, तो जब मैं अभी हाथ लगा रहा हूँ तो मुझे शॉक क्यों नहीं लग रहा है, या मुझे ऐसा जो एक शॉक लगता है ना, वो क्यों नहीं लग रहा है? Can someone, Nikhat has raised her hand, Abdul Samad and Zaid have raised. I will give a chance to Nikhat to just answer this question. Yes, Nikhat, go ahead. Nikhat?
Because you are electric charge.
I am electric charge, तो शॉक लगना चाहिए ना मुझे.
या भैया ऐसे.
Okay, but Nikhat, mute yourself. Abdul Samad gets a chance.
यस भैया. भैया जैसे कि बोर्ड है, बोर्ड में झटका है, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक है, अगर वो अपने आप को छुएगा उसको थोड़ी ना झटका लगेगा,
तो
शॉक थोड़ी
मैं
ना
अगर,
लगेगा.
तो आप अगर मुझे छुओगे तो आपको झटका लगेगा क्या?
नो.
क्यों? You have to
Because-
think about this question. Okay. Fayaz, Alfisha, Zarmeen, Ghaffar, who wants to answer this? It's a very interesting question. I am telling all are made of electric charges and this is truth. We are all made of electric charges. हमारे बॉडी में इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस अभी भी है अभी भी, तो भी हमें चटका क्यों नहीं लग रहा है अगर मैं हाथ लगा रहा हूँ तो? और अगर मैं रब करूंगा ना तो चटका नहीं लगेगा, पर थिंग्स ऐसे गर्म हो जाते हैं. या यस Zed, go ahead. Zed, go ahead. Answer this. Zed, you get a chance. Go ahead, Zed. Zed? Zed, you can unmute yourself now. I have given you the permission. Zed, you can unmute yourself. I can't hear you, Zed. We'll wait for one more time. Yes, Zed, go ahead. You're now unmuted. Please unmute yourself before speaking. Press that button. Okay, sorry, Zed, I will stop you. Alfisha wants to, like Fayaz wants to give a try. Fayaz, if it's Fayaz is not there. Zarmeen? 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 Zarmeen?
भैया.
Yes? Zarmeen?
क्या?
Do you want to try? मेरा क्वेश्चन का आंसर. क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम सब इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस से बने, पर तो भी अगर आप मुझे हाथ लगाओगे, यार अब्दुल समाद मुझे हाथ लगाएगा या तेजस हाथ लगाएगा, उसे शॉक नहीं लगता है. क्यों? क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? If we have electric charges in our body, we should get shock right now. Why is it so? Think about it. Everyone keep thinking about this question. क्यों शॉक नहीं लग रहा है? आपकी बॉडी भी इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस से बनी है. I see Nikhat raising their hand. Okay, Zarmeen, mute yourself. Nikhat, go ahead. Unmute yourself and tell it. Nikhat.
बिकॉज भैया हम लोग को इलेक्ट्रिक की जरूरत है ना, तो वो रियल इलेक्ट्रिक थोड़ी ना, रियल इलेक्ट्रिक, इट इज अ
Okay,
थिंग वी
ठीक है.
नीड इन अ बॉडी.
Okay. I take that answer, Abdul Samad. Nikhat, I have unmuted you. Please go ahead.
Can you repeat one more time?
Yes. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, हम सब इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस से बने, सब लोग. I, this bottle, this Cadbury, this biscuit, everything is made up of electric charge. Everything. But I can touch this Cadbury right now. I'm not getting any shock. और I'm not even sticking here. चिपक रहा भी नहीं है. मैं इसे छोड़ दूँ तो गिर जा रहा है कैडबरी. ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा क्यों? इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस से बना है तो शॉक लगना चाहिए ना. पलक, we will take more 10 minutes.
कैलोरी
हाँ? नहीं. Okay, everybody thought a lot. Yes, Abdul Samad, Nikhat, Fayaz, Zaid, Alfisha, everyone, thank you. Now I'm going to, yes. Bhaiya, Zaid, I'm trying to unmute yourself, but I don't know what is happening. Please, everyone be on mute right now. I'm going to give the answer. Everyone on mute right now. So, क्या होता है पता है? There are two types of charges. One is positive charge, one is negative charge. हमारे बॉडी में या कौन से भी चीज में, ये बॉटल में भी देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ चार्जेस, पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज. गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू दिस वाज क्लियर. राइट डाउन इन योर बुक. Positive charge and negative charge. There are two types of charges in your body. Positive charge and negative charge. I'm going to wait for 3 seconds right now. Write down this. This is very important. Okay, everyone has to understand this. ये समझेगा आपको तो बलून और फोम वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट समझेगा कि क्या हुआ एक्चुअली वहां पे. Okay. Hi Meher, nice to see you. You're a bit late, but that's okay. Please ask Hina to help you. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you heard me. Yeah, Hina and Meher are together. Yeah, thank you. Now, what happens is, अभी ना आपको इंटीजर्स में जाना है. Remember integers का chapter from math. What is +5 and -5 together? Tell me. +5 और -5 together आके क्या बनेंगे? +5 and -5.
0.
अगर मैं Abdul Samad is saying 0. Nikat, write in chat. Everyone type in chat. +5 और -5 को एक साथ लाऊंगा तो क्या आंसर बनेगा? Everyone type in chat. Come on, fast. Abdul Samad, till then you're on mute, Baba. Please mute yourself. I'm not seeing any responses. 0. Meher is saying 0. Then Nikat is saying -0. Only 2 responses. I want everyone to respond. Palak is saying 0. Alfisha, I will repeat it. I am saying, Ghaffar is saying +0. Thank you, Ghaffar. If there are +5 and there are -5, I bring them together. What is the answer? 0. Thank you. There are a lot of people answering. Ghaffar has also answered. Thank you, Ghaffar. Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot for answering. Thank you everyone for answering. It's right. The answer is 0. तो हमारे बॉडी में ना 2 टाइप ऑफ चार्जेस होते हैं, प्लस बी और माइनस बी. पर अभी जब मैं नॉर्मल हूं, मैं ये कैडबरी को हाथ लगा रहा हूं ना, तो इसमें इक्वल प्लस है, इक्वल माइनस है. मतलब इसमें +20 है, -20 है, तो एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर देते हैं. इसके लिए इसमें कुछ शॉक अभी है नहीं, मैं इसको हाथ लगा सकता हूँ. इज दिस क्लियर? मतलब इसमें चार्जेस है, पर दोनों प्लस एंड माइनस इक्वल है, दोनों एक दूसरे को 0 कर देते. इसलिए आई कैन टच दिस कैडबरी राइट नाउ बिकॉज देयर इज नो चार्ज. ओके, इज दिस क्लियर? गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ दिस वाज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. यस, अब्दुल समाद, गो अहेड विद द क्वेश्चन.
मेटल्स तो हम लोग को अजीब सा लगता है ना, मतलब हल्का सा, और फिर हम लोग अगर स्पून को मुंह में रखते हैं तो कुछ इलेक्ट्रिक का फील होता है.
तो क्यों उसमें? क्योंकि उसमें अनबैलेंस हो जाता है. I will come to that. I will come to this point now. I will come to. If this was clear, you हमें. Thank you, Abdul Samad. I only see Abdul Samad and Nikat responding. Meher, Zaid also gave me a thumbs up. Alfisha, Zarmeen, Pragati, Palak. If this was clear, कि मुझे मैं ये इसको टच करूँ तो अभी शॉक क्यों नहीं लग रहा है? क्योंकि दोनों टाइप ऑफ चार्जेस प्लस एंड माइनस अभी इक्वल है इसमें. Now we'll go back to something. This you read some time ago. Transfer and imbalance of electric charges. Transfer and imbalance. Okay. So ये क्यों हो रहा है? ट्रांसफर एंड इम्बैलेंस की वजह से. अभी क्या ट्रांसफर हो रहा है? चार्जेस. और क्या इम्बैलेंस हो रहा है? चार्जेस. आपको इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस तो समझ में आ गया. 2 टाइप है, एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव. अभी समझो मैं ये रूलर है. रूलर अभी मेरा कहाँ पे गया मुझे पता नहीं. I just lost my ruler.
Take my ruler.
Yeah, this is a ruler. Okay, thank you, Abdul Samad. I will come to your house and take it after some time. Okay, ये रूलर है. अभी इसमें ना 0 है चार्ज, क्योंकि इसमें प्लस और माइनस इक्वल है. अभी मैं रब कर रहा हूँ. अगर समझो आप चॉकलेट को रब करते हो तो उसमें से कुछ निकलते जाता है, बराबर. आप चॉकलेट को रब करते हो तो छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल चॉकलेट से निकलते जाते हैं. इमेजिन करो कैडबरी का एक चॉकलेट है, आप उसको रब करते जा रहे हो, उसमें से छोटी छोटी चीज निकलती है, बराबर. यू हैव सीन दिस, राइट? किसी ने देखा है? गिव मी अ थम्स अप. यस, गिव मी अ थम्स अप. थैंक यू निकट, थैंक यू अब्दुल समाद, थैंक यू जरमीन. मेहर, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि आप चॉकलेट को अगर रब करोगे, आप अगर स्पून लेगो चॉकलेट को आप रब करते रहोगे तो उसमें से छोटा छोटा चॉकलेट के पार्टिकल्स गिरते रहते हैं। यस प्रगति, थैंक यू। वैसे ही क्या होता है पता है, अभी ध्यान दो, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। मैं जब ये रूलर से ना ऐसा रब कर रहा हूँ, इससे क्या होगा, इसमें जो चार्जेस है वो थोड़े थोड़े निकलते जाएंगे। इसमें प्लस और माइनस चार्जेस थे, अभी थोड़े से प्लस निकल गए, थोड़े से प्लस निकल गए, थोड़े से प्लस निकल गए, तो अभी ये क्या बन गया है, माइनस। अब ये क्या बन गया, इम्बैलेंस हो गया चार्ज का। ओके, चार्ज का इम्बैलेंस हो गया। रब करने के पहले चार्ज बैलेंस थे, बट नाउ व्हेन आई एम रबिंग इट some charges are going off, some charges are going off. What happens is charges का imbalance हो गया, charges का imbalance हो गया, इसके वजह से ये अभी चार्ज्ड हो गया। और चार्ज्ड होने के वजह से मैं अगर पेपर के पास लेके जाता हूँ तो ये चार्ज्ड है, इसके लिए इसके पास चीज अट्रैक्ट करते हैं। Was this clear?
भैया सिर्फ पेपर पे क्यों अट्रैक्ट होता है?
क्या
ये सिर्फ पेपर पे क्यों अट्रैक्ट होता है?
पेपर पे नहीं, आप कोई भी और चीज ले लो, टेक एनी अदर थिंग, टेक इवन पेपर अट्रैक्ट हो रहा है क्योंकि पेपर इज अ गुड कंडक्टर। मेटल अगर आप मेटल ऐसा करोगे ना और मेटल पानी के यहाँ पे लेके जाओगे तो पानी वापस अट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा। यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन डू दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट। पानी मेटल की तरफ आ जाए, हाँ, रब करके या ऐसा वॉश करके, कपड़े से उसको वॉश करो, ठीक है। आई वॉन्ट एवरीवन टू, yes, I want everyone to say if this was clear. Alfisha, I am unmuting yourself right now. Alfisha.
Yes, yeah.
Tell me what you didn't understand or what was the problem you faced. Alfisha. I don't know what is happening with Alfisha because all others are able to speak. Alfisha.
Yes, yeah, I understand everything. Like
Yes.
That I can unmute myself. Someone
Okay.
is doing the participant is not doing well.
Okay, I will do that. Zed, thank you, Alfisha. Did you understand? Right? Give me a thumbs up if you understand. Zed, go ahead with your question. Zed. Yes, Zed. I will unmute yourself. Zed, go ahead with your question. Zed, now you are unmute. Speak. Why are you muting yourself again, Zed? Don't mute. I unmuted you. Don't mute yourself.
unmute नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
Zed, go ahead. Go ahead. Now don't mute yourself. Go ahead. Speak, Zed.
Electric charge plus positive charge, negative charge. My sound is come now, भैया?
Yes, yes. Speak. Keep speaking. Keep speaking. Okay. I think there is facing some. Meher and Hina, both of you. Did you understand what did I just say? Meher and Hina, please unmute yourself. Meher and Hina, please unmute yourself. Meher and Hina, I don't know. Yes, they understood. Thank you. Please everyone give me a thumbs up if you understood. I will repeat it once again. पहले इसमें चार्ज होते हैं पर वो चार्ज बैलेंस होते हैं. When I rub, what happens is चार्ज का इम्बैलेंस होता है क्योंकि इसमें प्लस और माइनस दोनों है. तो मैं रब करता हूँ तो थोड़े प्लस निकल जाते, थोड़े प्लस मेरे बाल में आ जाते. तो ये खुद क्या बन जाता है अभी, माइनस, क्योंकि इसके पास माइनस बहुत सारे. और मेरा बाल क्या बन जाता है, प्लस, क्योंकि मेरे बाल को प्लस प्लस मिलता गया. तो ये प्लस और ये माइनस, तो ये चार्ज हो जाता है. इज दिस क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर? ये पहला अनचार्ज था. जब मैं रब करता हूँ इसमें से चार्ज निकल जाते, ठीक है. तो नाउ इसमें से प्लस निकल जाते तो प्लस मेरे बालों में आ जाते, तो ये खुद क्या बन जाता है, माइनस. इसके पास ज्यादा भी क्या हो गए, माइनस. ओके, पर ये मेरे बाल अभी क्या बन गए, प्लस, क्योंकि इसके पास प्लस ज्यादा आते गए. टेल मी इफ दिस वाज क्लियर. गिव मी अ थम्स अप. गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ दिस वाज क्लियर. ऐसा सोचो कि इसके पास ना +10 और -10 है, इसके पास +10 और -10 है. जब मैं रब करता हूं तो इसके +2 चार्ज चले गए, तो अभी इसके पास कितने प्लस चार्ज बचे? पहले इसके पास +10 थे, +2 चले गए, अभी 8 बचे इसके पास, 8 बचे, पर माइनस तो 10 ही है, माइनस तो 10 ही है, +8 है, -10 है, तो ज्यादा कौन है? माइनस, तो माइनस डोमिनेट कर रहा है, इसके लिए अभी क्या बच जाएगा? माइनस। मेरे बाल के में और +2 ऐड हो गए, इसके वजह से, इसके ट्रांसफर के वजह से, इसके लिए मेरे बाल क्या बन गए? प्लस। इज दिस क्लियर? गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ दिस इज क्लियर। बलून का भी सेम होता है, बलून पहला अनबैलेंस्ड होता है बलून, और उसको जब मैं क्लॉथ से रब करता हूँ तो क्लॉथ का जो चार्ज है माइनस वो बलून में आ जाता है, तो बलून माइनस चार्ज बन जाता है और क्लॉथ प्लस चार्ज बन जाता है। जब चार्ज पार्टिकल पेपर के यहाँ पे लेके आता हूँ तो ये चार्ज है, तो पेपर इसको अट्रैक्ट हो जाता है। इफ दिस वाज क्लियर, गिव मी अ थम्स अप, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। Nikat has given me a thumbs up, Meher has given me a thumbs up, Abdul Samad has given me a thumbs up, Zaid has given me a thumbs up, Palak has given, Alpesh has given me a thumbs up. We are going to stop here, but we are going to revise. Let's recap. आज क्या क्या किया? First thing what we saw is we saw experiment. We saw first 2 experiments and we compared the 2 experiments. The second thing that we saw was about friction. Friction क्या होता है कि अगर एक चीज इस पे मूव हो रही है तो वो कितना इजीली या कितना डिफिकल्टी से मूव हो रही है, दैट इज एनेबल्ड बाय फ्रिक्शन। ओके, इफ इट मूव्स स्मूथली, फ्रिक्शन बहुत कम है, फ्रिक्शन इज वेरी लेस। इफ इट इज टेक एफर्ट्स टू मूव, उसको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ रही है, तो फ्रिक्शन इज मोर, फ्रिक्शन इज मोर। जब चीज को ज्यादा रुकावटें होती है तो फ्रिक्शन ज्यादा है, जब चीज इजीली मूव होती है तो फ्रिक्शन कम है। The third thing that we saw was electric charges. There are 2 types of electric charges. Yes, Nikhil, we'll take class for 2. Plus charge and minus charge. एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है, एक नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है। इनिशियली जब मैं चीज को रब नहीं कर रहा हूं तो ये चार्ज है कि अनचार्ज है? ये चार्ज है कि अनचार्ज है? निखत, निखत, टाइप इन चैट एवरीवन। जब ये चीज को मैं रब नहीं कर रहा हूं, ऐसी चीज है, ये चार्ज है कि अनचार्ज है? अनचार्ज की चार्ज? एवरीवन टाइप इन चैट राइट नाउ। Meher is saying charge, uncharged, someone said uncharged, Alpisha said uncharged, Nikal said uncharged, very good। जब मैं अभी तक इसको रब नहीं किया हूं ना, दिस इज अनचार्ज, अभी तक इसमें चार्ज हुआ नहीं है, क्योंकि इसमें पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इक्वल नंबर में, अगर +20 है तो -20 है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज 20 है तो नेगेटिव चार्ज भी 20 है। अब मैं इसको रब करता हूं, मैं जब इसको रब करूंगा तब इसका जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है, इसका जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है वो थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा। ये क्या होगा? रब करेंगे, आप चॉकलेट को रब करो, थोड़ी चीज गिरती रहती है, तो मैं रब करता हूं तो पॉजिटिव वाले गिरते रहते हैं मेरे बालों में, तो अभी पॉजिटिव वाले इसमें से कम हो गए, इसके लिए ये अभी क्या हो गया? चार्ज हो गया, नेगेटिव चार्ज हो गया, मेरा बाल क्या हो गया? पॉजिटिवली चार्ज। सो व्हेन आई ब्रिंग दिस नेगेटिवली चार्ज टू द पेपर, दिस इज चार्ज, सो पेपर विल गेट अट्रैक्टेड टू दिस। Is this clear? Give me a thumbs up if the lecture was clear. Very good, Nikat. Very good, Alpisha.
Yes,
very good, Abdul Samad. Very good, Meher. Very good, Zaid. Everyone very good, because you have tried to answer it and your participation. Thank you everyone. Yes. Thank you, Pragati. Thank you, Gopal. Yes.
If we rub the scale and the positive charge goes into your head, so what will happen?
तो ये भी चार्ज हो गया, ये भी चार्ज हो गया। अभी मेरा हेड भी थोड़े टाइम के लिए ना, 1 सेकंड के लिए चार्ज है, मैं हाथ लगाऊंगा तो थोड़ा शॉक नहीं लगेगा।
मोबाइल चार्ज कर सकते?
हाँ, मोबाइल चार्ज का थोड़ा कंसेप्ट मैं आगे समझाऊंगा, अभी थोड़ा ऐसा समझ लो कि ये चार्ज हुआ है पर शॉक नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि इसका पावर बहुत कम है। पावर जब ज्यादा होता है ना आपको शॉक लगता है, इसका पावर बहुत कम है कि कोई भी हाथ लगे के चला जा सकता है। पावर इज वेरी लेस। ओके, have that in your mind, you won't get shocked। पावर ज्यादा करना
440 कर रहे
तो फिर हॉस्पिटल डायरेक्ट, सब लोग हॉस्पिटल में चले जाएंगे उसको हाथ लगाया तो, ठीक है।
पावर को ज्यादा करना है तो
पावर को ज्यादा करना है तो आपको बैटरी यूज करना पड़ेगा, बहुत बड़े बड़े बैटरी, 400 वोल्ट की, 4000 वोल्ट की बैटरीज मार्केट में आती है। जैसे आपके मोबाइल में बैटरी होती है ना, टच भी नहीं कर पाते हम लोग। अभी मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेरी गुड, यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग। मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, this we will answer in next class, not now, class is over now in 1 minute। ये चार्जेस आते कहाँ से? चार्जेस आ रहे तो हवा से तो नहीं आ रहे ना, मेरे बॉडी में चार्जेस है तो आ रहे कहाँ से चार्जेस? दिस वी विल आंसर बिकॉज इट इज कमिंग थ्रू एटम, ATOM। और ये एटम क्या होता है ये हम लोग देखेंगे। ये एटम ना हमारे बॉडी के अंदर है। मैंने जो बोला था ना मेरे बॉडी के अंदर चार्ज है, वो एक्चुअली एटम के अंदर है। एटम के अंदर चार्जेस है। तो एटम के अंदर चार्जेस कहाँ से आते हैं वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे। इज दिस क्लियर? गिव मी अ थम्स अप। नाउ द लेक्चर हैज एंडेड। I will
Yes, class photo.
yeah, I will send this on group, okay, this recap thing, so that you know आज class में क्या हुआ. Otherwise take a screenshot right now.
Bhaiya, and Bhaiya put the video on the YouTube.
Yes, I will put this video on the YouTube. Please take this photo. Let's recap का thing. You will understand. Aves, please speak. You're raising your hand. Yes, Aves, speak. Wait one sec, Aves. Aves, speak, Baba. Speak. Yes, speak, Aves.
भैया अपना बाल तो नहीं खराब होएगा ना?
नहीं खराब होगा, बहुत कम चार्ज है, बहुत कम चार्ज, कुछ नहीं होगा बालों को, बहुत छोटा
गंजा
charge.
हो जाएगा, गंजा
कुछ
गंजा हो
गंजे
जाएगा।
गंजे बिंजे कोई नहीं बनेगा, टेंशन मत लो। नहीं तो अभी तक भैया गंजा नहीं होता था इतना सिखा सिखा के। भैया के बालों में है ना, बाल तो है भैया को इतना। यस सरमीन, गो अहेड। everyone can mute themselves. We will take a class photo, then we will stop. Please smile, everyone. On the first slide, I have Abdul Samad, Tejas, and Nikhat. Wait 1 second. I will take from no. Abdul Samad, Tejas, and Nikhat. Please smile. Smile. Aves, Zaid, Zarmeen, Meher. Meher, please on your video. Meher.
महक भैया, महक।
Meher है ना नई
महक।
लड़की. We have new student in our class.
New.
Yes, Meher and Hina, please smile.
Oh.
Meher and Hina, I have taken your photos. Okay. Now Palak, Alfisha, Pragati and Ghaffar. Palak, Pragati, Alfisha and Ghaffar. Please, you can on your videos. Please smile. Yes. Yes. Okay. I have taken the photos. जिनको डाउट है वो रुको, others can leave. Yes, photos are over. जिनको डाउट है वो रुको, others can leave. If everyone has understand, you have to give me a thumbs up on WhatsApp right now. कॉल ड्रॉ करने के बाद गिव मी अ फीडबैक कि क्या अच्छा हुआ, आपको क्या नहीं समझा और क्या मैं अच्छा सिखा पाता था. You have to tell भैया कि क्या अच्छे से सिखा पाता था. Okay. You are going to message me right now on WhatsApp कि क्या अच्छे से समझा, क्या अच्छा किया मैंने और क्या अच्छा कर सकता हूँ भैया. What I can do better to teach. Okay. You have to give me a frank feedback. All of you can drop. I am waiting for 5 minutes for doubts.
हाँ? उधर लिखा है।
People, questions है कुछ? मेहर, you have questions? अब्दुल समाद, question है कुछ? फोटो हो गया है? फोटो खत्म? Yes, ask. Yes, ask. Everyone, please ask their questions. किसको क्वेश्चंस पूछना है यार? कोई बात नहीं कर पा रहा है क्या? प्रगति, जैद, Abdul Samad, I can't hear you.
I'm not telling.
Yes,
Okay.
भैया, now I
I
can.
don't try.
Yes, speak.
Wait, I was.
Bye भैया.
Bye,
भैया.
Abdul Samad. Bye, Abdul Samad. Alfisha, just wait. I'll let everyone go, then we'll answer the question. Alfisha, just wait for 5 minutes. Bye, Abdul Samad. Yes, Meher, I will explain you. Meher, wait after the call. Meher and Hina, please wait, okay?
भैया, you don't tell definition of electrostatic force.
We will build this. This is the first lecture. I don't want to bombard everything. We are starting from basic. आज हम समझे कि क्या क्या होता है, कल हम समझे कि एटॉमिक है, एंड देन इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स पे आएंगे. इज दैट ओके? Okay, Abdul Samad. People who have doubts, please stay. Others can leave. तेजस, आपको कुछ डाउट है बेटा?
Yes, भैया.
तेजस,
1 minute, भैया. Put this video in the YouTube, huh?
yes, Abdul Samad, पक्का से. I will put this till 1 p.m.
Oh, 1 p.m. After this call, please.
Yes, yes. First, I will do that. Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, bye.
See you.
Alfisha, Alfisha, Alfisha,
Yes, Bhaiya.
go ahead.
No, Bhaiya,
Ask
I
your
don't have any. I was asking a question that at the shock box that from that we on fan and lights, why we get shock from that?
That is electricity, static electricity. We'll come to this. We'll come to this. Why you get shocked, but not in today's lecture. We'll come to this in next week. Okay? Not on Friday also. In next week. Is that okay? Till then you can search on YouTube. Till then you can search on YouTube. Okay, Alfisha? Yes. First stage. Meher, your network is bad. What you can do is you and Hina call me. After the, I will call your on your number. Your network is bad. I will call WhatsApp call on your number. Okay. Please, it's okay if you drop off. I will call in 15 minutes till 12:20. I will call you. Tejas, do you have question? Tejas? No? Did you understand the class? Yes or no? Huh? Tejas? तेजस,
हेलो.
हाँ, आपको समझा मैंने क्या सिखाया आज? तेजस, नो, क्या नहीं समझा आपको तेजस? तेजस, पूरा क्लास ही नहीं समझा. ओके, वी नीड टू. अब मैं ये वीडियो यूट्यूब पे वापस डालूंगा. आप एक बार यूट्यूब पे देख लेना और मुझे शाम को मैसेज करना आपको उसमें से कुछ नहीं समझ रहा है तो. ठीक है तेजस? गिव मी अ थम्स अप. गफर, 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 हेलो गफर, हेलो गफर, गफर, हेलो गफर, हेलो गफर, हेलो गफर. Okay, I'm ending the call. Okay, if there is anything, please message me on WhatsApp. I'm ending the call. Thank you for coming to the class. Thank you.